Guys, magluto tayo ng isdang malaki. Yan. Chipora. Here in Greece, in Europe. This is the Europe fish. Onion, carrots, celery, green chili, and tomato. Yan. And also, we have a black pepper and nor. Prepare hot water for this soup. Yes. Put onion, put in tomato, right, to boil and cover. Open again. Put the ginger, yes, carrots, okay, and bring to boil. So you put half nor, after fish. Yes. Then peppercorn. After the celery leaves. Yes. Together all. Because the fish is difficult to make more boiled. Okay. So together with celery. Like. Alright. So the last. The big chili. Yes. And then to be ready, this I'm missing soup or fish soup or sopa, they call in Greek. Like, and thank you and bye bye. Please subscribe Randy Black. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Grill fish grill. Kain tayo. It's 8. Wow. Salad. It's a wonderful salad. And fish together. Alright.